Hello, I'm Edward Ezekiel de Rivera from Grade 2 Camel. Today I'm going to share with you how to solve a word problem involving multiplication. The steps in solving a word problem are: remember the acronym AGO-ISA, where A for ask or identify the question or what is being asked, G for given, O for operation, E for equation, S for solution, and A for answer. Let's begin. Here is our word problem. There are 240 calories per serving of a peanut butter sandwich. If Ezekiel can eat 3 sandwiches, how much is the total calories he consumed? Let's identify what is being asked or the question. How much is the total calories he consumed? Let's identify what are the given. 240 calories per serving of a peanut butter sandwich and 3 sandwiches. Let's identify what is the operation to solve the problem. It's multiplication. Let's write the equation. 240 times 3 equals n. Now, using the equation, let's solve. We will be multiplying 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. First, multiply the ones by 3. 0 times 3 equals 0. Next, multiply the tens by 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. Write 2 in the tens and carry over 1 to the hundreds. Then, multiply the hundreds by 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then add the carry over 1 to the hundreds. 6 plus 1 equals 7. The answer is 720. So, to answer the ask, how much is the total calories he consumed? The answer is Ezekiel consumed 720 calories in eating the 3 sandwiches. Remember, the steps in solving a word problem are identify the A, ask, G, given, O, operation, E, equation, S, solution, A, answer. Thank you. I hope you learned something, my Matinic friends. This is Edward Ezekiel de Rivera. Bye-bye.